Hey guys, so troubled Chinese smartphone manufacturers Gionee seems to have made a comeback in the Indian market. The company has launched a new smartphone, Gionee F205 Pro, which seems to be a upgraded model of the Gionee F205 launched in India last year. The smartphone, which is priced at $98 and comes in three color options: black, blue, and champagne gold. The Gionee F205 Pro comes with a 5.4-inch HD Plus display with 18.92 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the device is powered by a 1.5 GHz quad-core MediaTek MT6739WW processor coupled with 2 GB of RAM. It packs 16 GB of internal storage along with a microSD card slots that enables users to further expand the phone's storage capacity up to 256 GB. In the camera department, the handset features a 13 megapixel rear camera with an F2.0 Aperture. On the front side, the device comes equipped with a 5 megapixel front camera with an F2.2 Aperture. The phone also sports a face unlock feature and also a rear mounted fingerprint sensor for added protection. It is powered by a 3000 mAh battery and runs with Android 8.1 Oreo operating system out of the box.